Hey guys, first take a look at this.
ये है मेरा क्रेडिट कार्ड। तुम्हारी फ्रेंड को जिस फर्नीचर की जरूरत होगी उसे खरीद लेना और याद रखना कि उसकी कीमत से मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। तुम्हारी फ्रेंड को पसंद है तो खरीद लेना।
Surprise? Me too. But guess what? You can make videos just like this using AI. No need to learn a new language. In this tutorial, I will show you how to dub your videos into any language using ElevenLabs. Let's get started. First, head over to this website link in the description. ElevenLabs let you translate videos from 57 languages into 29 others, all for free. You get 5 minutes of dubbing time. Need more? Look at this. The free plan gives you 10 minutes of ultra high quality text to speech and automatic dubbing, perfect for trying it out. The starter plan at just $5 per month boosts you to 30 minutes of text to speech and even lets you clone your voice with just 1 minute of audio. For serious creators, the creator plan at $22 per month, first month 50% off, offers 100 minutes of voice generation, professional voice cloning, and premium audio quality. Need even more? The Pro plan at $99 per month gives you 500 minutes of speech, better studio quality, and analytics. For businesses scaling up, the Scale plan at $330 per month and the Business plan at $1,320 per month provide thousands of minutes and high-speed AI processing. And if you need even more, enterprise plans offer custom solutions tailored to your needs. Now click Get Started and sign in. Once logged in, go to the Dubbing tab and click Create New Dub. First, give your project a title. Now choose your source language. The AI can detect it automatically, but you can also select it manually. Next, pick your target language. I will go with Hindi for this demo. Then upload your video from your PC or import it from YouTube or other platforms. Once it's processed, it will appear in your project list. Want even more control? Click Advanced Settings. Here you can adjust the number of speakers, video resolution, or even select a specific part of your video to dub. Once everything looks good, hit Create. The AI will now work its magic. And just like that, your video is now dubbed into another language. Let's check it out.
ट्रिक्स जो आपको शायद पता नहीं था। नंबर 1, विंडोज शिफ्ट और R दबाएं।
Sounds just like me, right? That's the power of AI now. Keep in mind, AI is not perfect. So if accuracy is crucial, have a native speaker review it. If you are happy with it, hit the download button to save your MP4 file. And that's it. Now you can make your content accessible to people all over the world. No more language barriers, just AI magic. If you found this helpful, drop a comment, hit like, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Check out the next video for even more cool AI tools. See you in the next time.